Looking for a brand new house that's ready to move in? Look no further. Today we are at the landed enclave at Curry's Estate in District 15. Hi, I'm Brendan.
And I'm Agnes. This development over here consists of 2 corner terraces and 1 inter-terrace located at the cul-de-sac of Jalan Purun Perindu. This serene neighbourhood is conveniently located near to amenities and public transports.
The upcoming Marine Terrace MRT station is less than 10 minutes walk away, and for those who love the beach, East Coast Park is easily accessible via the Sea Club Park connector. There are also many good schools within 2 kilometers of this vicinity.
Built with good quality finishings and fittings, this corner terrace sits on a freehold land of 2719 square feet with a built-up area of approximately 6156 square feet. We are now at the carport area that has a wide frontage of 9 meters and you can easily park up to 3 cars, and over there we have a power supply that is ready for your EV car charger installations. This travertine marble feature wall sets a comfy tone for a luxurious home, greeting us before we even step foot through the door.
Stepping into the house, we are enveloped in luxury by a grand timber main door and the wide and opulent European floor tiles of the foyer. With a generous sized shoe cabinet, you will never run out of room for your beloved shoes.
This cozy ensuite room on the ground level is perfect for a granny's room, guest room, or even as an entertainment room for your karaoke or mahjong sessions. And over here, we have the Italian imported home traction lift that takes you to any levels.
At the backyard area, we have 2 helpers' rooms. One can be the helper's bedroom and the other one can be a utility room. And we have good space over here, earmarked for your laundry area. Now that we have seen level 1, let's head up to the second level.
Now we are on level 2. Take a look at this roomy and regular shaped living and dining space. Perfect for hosting get-togethers with family and friends, or just cozying up to relax. These Danish oak wood floors brings a stylish and elegant touch to the whole space from level 2 to the attic. With a modern concept of having the living and dining area on the second floor, we can enjoy an elevated view as well as better privacy. From the living area, you can go out to the balcony and soak in a large green lawn that is self-irrigated by an automatic timer.
When the sunlight is too bright, these louvers can be adjusted according to your preference to block out the light while allowing the outdoorsy breeze to still enter into the house. Developer also installed this low-emission glass for all the windows and sliding doors to block out the heat and to reduce the heat gain into the house.
When you open this sliding door over here, you can find this air well which brings in the natural light to the stairways. It also creates a detached house feel where you can have sliding doors at both sides of the house. For people who love gardening, you can even plant a small tree here to provide more greenery for the house.
For anyone who loves to cook, you will love this fully equipped kitchen. Both electric and gas cooker hob are provided. We also have an oven, microwave, 2-door fridge, and a dishwasher provided. The kitchen cabinets and drawers are installed with Bloom and European storage systems, and these hinges are titanium coated for rust resistance. And for family who prefer to have a wet kitchen, you can install an outdoor stove and a wash area over here.
All the bedrooms are located on the 3rd and attic level, which are away from the communal space for more privacy. On the 3rd level, we have the master bedroom and 2 ensuite bedrooms. all the bedrooms are fitted with wardrobes, which are not common for brand new landed homes. There is also a linen store on every level from level 2 to the attic. On the attic level, we have the last ensuite bedrooms and a study area with a Jack and Jill bathroom.
Brand new landed houses that are ready to move in are very rare nowadays. So if you would like to have a physical viewing of any of these 3 houses, do give me a call. AAG Landed 7772, your compass for landed properties.